Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Bybit account in PC or laptop. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in bybit.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Bybit. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you already have the account, click on the option login and you'll be able to log in to your account. But if you want to sign up for your account, click on this option sign up. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface of Bybit. From here you'll be able to sign up for your account. All you have to do is enter your email or mobile number over here, or you can also sign up with Google, Apple or Telegram. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the option Google. If you also selected the option for Google, what you have to do is select an account to continue. Simply click on the account that you want to use. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. By continuing, Google will share your name, email address and profile picture with Bybit. Simply click on the option continue. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. A verification code will be sent to your email. So simply check the email and enter that verification code over here. Due to some reason I'm not being able to receive the verification code. But if you've received the verification code, simply enter it over here. After that you'll be led to another interface. In that interface you'll have to create a very strong password for yourself. Go ahead and create a password for yourself. Now you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy of Bybit. Simply agree to the user agreement, privacy policy and terms and conditions. After that your account will be created. You'll also have to complete the verification. Simply follow through the prompts and verify your account. Once the verification is completed, your Bybit account will be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the Bybit account. So that is how you sign up Bybit account in PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.